This drawer goes in about a half an inch further than I wanted to, and the reason is that there are no stops here, and this drawer just rides on this wood. It's actually worn in a bit. It's an old dresser, really cool though. I really like it. But the on the drawer, let's see, right here, this is 3/4 of an inch, and I've cut a small piece of wood that's about 2 inches long, 1/4 inch thick. That's the same. So what I need to do is, what will happen here is put the drawer in, then that lip on the front of the drawer, the face of the drawer, will then hit here, or actually here, when it's pushed in and where it stops flush where I want it to stop. So what I need to do, this being 3/4 of an inch, I'm just going to line this up with the front, get it flush, and draw a line on the back, because I know this is 3/4 inches wide. Then I'm going to glue this piece here. Have some wood glue. And this works best on bare wood. It does not stick real well. I'm going to put some glue. Oops. On there. I'm going to put some on here. I need some more. Cover that whole surface. Line it up with the line. Wiggle a little bit, smooth that glue out. Wipe that off. This glue is water soluble, so I could take a wet rag and wipe all this glue off. And if you're planning on staining anything, make sure you get all the glue off, because this glue, when it's dry, will not hold stain, and you will not be happy. So there, we're lined up. What I'm going to do is use a tape measure as a weight to put pressure on that and let that dry. I think it says something like an hour on here, but 24 hours is best. Check your glue bottle to be sure what's needed. So then I'll need to put another one on the other side, and there's actually 5 missing on this dresser, so I'll replace all of those. But then put the drawer in, it'll go back, and then it'll be flush with the front rather than going in a half inch further. I mean, you can, but just a hassle, just nice, and you push it in, it'll stop there. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.